Alright y'all, welcome to the channel. Real cloudy today. See, can we get one to bite? There's some in here because I saw them yesterday. We'll give it a try. I'm gonna start off with this Rapala Black and Gold. We got that little bit of rain last night, like they said. And it drizzled about half of the day today. Supposed to get down in the 20s again tonight. Way I figure it, the front's right over the top of us right now. It's about 58 degrees. I am fishing right behind somebody because I saw their fresh tracks coming in and out up there by the highway. I do have a beetle spin with me. Get down a little deeper. Let's try it right quick. Trying to sprinkle rain again. Oh man, I know what that's gonna be. I'm hung on that limb coming out of that beaver dam. That beaver den. Gonna lose that. No, I didn't. Might have straightened it out a little bit. Yes, I did. Well, I ain't got nothing with me to straighten that with. Let's go around here and step up in these woods to that other side. See, can we find a bass fish over there? While it's raining. Tell you one thing, they show some kind of roots and logs and everything all out in there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but it's just tangled up with stuff. This is Creek Bass Haven right here, if there's any in here right now. Tell you one thing I smell wild hogs. I don't know where they're at, but I do smell them. Yes, most definitely. Let's try it right over here. This is actually the main run of the creek going right through here. I see a turtle down there on the bottom. All right, y'all, we fished these two little spots. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Oh. I know one thing, like I said before, needs to happen. We need some really, 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 really high water and flush these places out. I mean, a place like this, as many people that fishes in here, this place should get fished out. I mean, you can't make me believe it won't, because I know it will. I mean, the last time I caught some fish here, I caught 3 nice bass, and it was right after just a little bit of high water. Not enough high water, but a little bit. I just wish people would quit throwing their trash out down here. I don't understand that. Try to get around here without falling. Step out in and do a couple more casts, just instead of retrieving it back. Not a bite yet, not even a nibble. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do one more cast. Far as I can, way up yonder. That's about as far as that bait right there will go. All right, y'all. Y'all saw it. I didn't even get a bite, and I would have figured surely today I would get a bite in this real cloudy and overcast. But like I say, somebody has been here before me. I ain't making no excuses or nothing like that, but somebody's right here before me. Oh. Matter of fact, that right there wasn't there the last time I was down here. That was yesterday, matter of fact. But anyway, supposed to get back cold again tonight. I don't know if I get out tomorrow. But anyway, be that Reeling Redneck. Y'all hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Hit that like. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Everybody have a good day.